How to research items in Terraria. So first is make sure you're actually playing in journey mode. So this feature isn't available in any other game mode. So I'm just going to click my journey mode character right here and my journey mode world just like that and wait for it to load. And once it's all loaded up, just go to your inventory by clicking on escape and you will see this open power menu option just below the inventory slots. And if you click on it, you will see a navigation bar on the left side. So it involves the open enemy difficulty slider, infection spread enabled or disabled. So you can basically click on it, and you will also have a personal power menu. You have god mode, increased placement range, and the enemy spawn rate slider, and all the other stuff right here. But the important one is the open research menu, and if you click on it, this will pop up, and when you hover to your items, it will show that it will need one more to unlock duplication. So you will need to research it one more to unlock a duplication of that particular item. So let's say I want to duplicate this item. I'm just going to click on it, place it right there, and click on research. As you can see, it says there that fully researched items can be created freely. So I'm going to click on research. So as you can see, once it's done, it will be gone in your inventory. But don't worry, since if you click on this duplication menu, you will see it right here. And if I click on it, as you can see, I can instantly make it just like that. So let's try researching the iron pickaxe right here and click on research. And as you can see, it is now on the duplication menu. So for the other items, as you can see, for the rope, you will need 100 to basically research and duplicate the rope. So let's say I'm just going to put on 37. If I click on research and I go to duplication menu, that will not show up since it needs the remaining ones right here. And if I click on it and go to research again, click on research, then go to duplication menu, it is now listed inside the duplication menu just like that. That is how you basically research items in Terraria.